Welcome to your German school. Your German school is based on the lessons from the basic level A1 to the advanced level. Since your German school is located in Germany, we are well aware with the updates in the literature. That is why our lessons are always up to date with the current updates in the market. Your German school is based on the standard classroom format. So please take your notebooks with you and try to make the notes during the lesson. This will help you to memorize the content of the lesson during the lesson, and you will proceed in German really fast. So let's proceed towards the lesson. In German, we call the lesson as Lektion. Lektion. And our lesson is on numbers. In German, we call the numbers as Zahlen, Zahlen, or Nummer. Nummer. So the first number is 0. And we say 0 in German as Null. Null. 1 is said as eins. Eins. 2 as zwei. Zwei. 3 as drei. Drei. 4 as vier. Vier. 5 as fünf. Fünf. 6 as sechs. Sechs. 7 as sieben. Sieben. 8 as acht. Acht. 9 as neun. Neun. 10 as zehn. Zehn. 11 as elf. Elf. 12 as zwölf. Zwölf. And the number 13 is said as 13. So from the numbers from 13 to 19, there is a law that we apply, and that is just to remember that when you add 10 to 3, it becomes 13. So first of all you say drei, and then you add the sound of 10 to it, zehn. So it will become 13. Like you pronounce first of all drei, 3 as drei, and then you add 10 to it, 13. 13. With the same principle, we call 14 as 14. 14. So you notice that we say first of all 4, that means fear, and then we add the sound of 10, that is sane, to it, and then it becomes 14. 14. The next one, 15, is said as fünf, and then we add the sound of 10 to it, that is sane, it becomes 15. 15. And the same law applies to 16. You first of all pronounce 6 as sechs, and then you add the sound of 10 to it, 16. 16. In the spellings, there is a small difference that you need to notice, that you just call it as zek and then sein. So you do not pronounce S. So there is no S in the spellings of sechzehn. It is sechzehn. So we said first of all zek, and then we added sein to it, sechzehn. And for siebzehn, we don't say sieben and zehn or siebenzehn, but we say siebzehn. Siebzehn. So we remove the en from this, and it becomes siebzehn. So first of all you pronounce 7 and then you add 10 to it, siebzehn. The same law applies for achtzehn. Achtzehn. We pronounce first of all 8 as acht, and then we add the sound of 10 to it, that is zehn. So 8 as acht and 10 as zehn. Achtzehn. Achtzehn. Neunzehn. 19. The same principle applies. 19. First the sound of neun and then you add sen to it. 19. And the next one is zwanzig. Zwanzig. So the 2 will be converted to swan, and for 0 you say sich. In Germany there are two pronunciations that we use. There are people who say it as zwanzig, but you also hear zwanzig. So both of them are correct. So zwanzig or zwanzig. So now we will do the recap of this. You can repeat it after me. Null, null, eins, eins, zwei, zwei, drei, drei, vier, vier, fünf, fünf, sechs, sechs, sieben, sieben, acht, acht, neun, neun, zehn, zehn, elf, elf, zwölf, zwölf, dreizehn, dreizehn, vierzehn, vierzehn, fünfzehn, fünfzehn, sechzehn, sechzehn, siebzehn, siebzehn, achtzehn, achtzehn, neunzehn, neunzehn, zwanzig, zwanzig. Hopefully you were able to follow today's lesson. If it was helpful for you, do share it with your friends and family and like the video. For future updates, press the bell icon. See you in the next lesson. Take care.